Okay, so we go on to the third lesson of the first section of the flow form. Okay, so the last point we got to was the push, the 7th position. So now we're going to try to work on 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 3 positions today. We'll just review over what we did from the start. So we start down, we open up, so the opening movement, nice and fluid. 1, first right ward off. 2, left ward off. 3, high right ward off. 4, the roll back to the front corner. 5, the press. 6, back. And 7, the push. Okay, now we're going to work on 8. So we're going to go right from the side wall all the way to the front corner. Okay, so it's quite a big movement. So we go from the push, we step with the left leg all the way to the corner, hands come down and sweep to the front corner. So the left foot is essentially pointing to the corner, so it's a big step. So we have to create a big step and the hands will sweep. But the turning is coming from the hips, through the body, to the arms. There may be a slight delay with the arms as we come in. Yeah? At this position here, weights in the left leg, not up, remember, soft, elbows relaxed or heavy. Remember, always keep the elbows heavy, so they're not up like that, because then they'll lift the trapezius, and if they lift the trapezius, we'll disconnect in our arms from our torso. So elbows are heavy and they're the same height as the wrists. So we're not up like so, just down like that. So try again. From 7, step with the left leg, hands go down and sweep. Okay, that's 8 to the corner. Now we're going to go to the other front corner for the 9. We're going to step with the right leg. We step and then the left hand draws under Taiji ball to the corner. Now this Taiji ball is very, very similar to the first movement you did. And remember from here, boom, it's the same Taiji ball, same hand position, but this time we're facing the corner. Okay. Now with the right foot, when you step, you've just done a big step to the left leg. Now when you step to the corner, the natural thing is to step right to the corner. That's what we normally do, we step right to the corner. But here, because our next step is quite big, we're going to step a little bit in. So if you can imagine the direction from the front wall to the corner is 45 degrees. Okay, imagine just stepping 30 degrees, something like that. Okay, just to make the next step a little bit easier. If you're okay with the stepping and your coccyx is still staying under and you're not coming up, you can go to the corner as well. But essentially it's easier if you don't go so far. You'll see later on when we're doing the 10th posture. So 7, 8, the sweep, 9, Taiji ball at the corner. Then 10, the single whip. We're going to turn from the corner all the way to the other side wall. So left hand comes under the right arm, boom, all the way to facing the side wall. It's a single whip position. Quite a common position in different Taiji forms, but held in different ways. Generally held in different ways. So from the corner, the left hand will come under the right hand. So it's going to come under the right hand, and it's like if you had long nails, they would cut the wrists. Yeah, so they're coming under like so. The right hand is moving out, and it's going to form a strange position with the hand, but I'll show you in the next one. On, out. Now, the left foot will face straight to the side wall. Remember, straight on the outside sole, not the inside sole, but straight on the outside sole. So it'll be straight to that wall. Left hand. I'll face you guys because otherwise it's hard for you to see the hands. Left hand, thumb and index finger are in the center line of the body. Okay, and it's on a slight angle. So it's not like so. It's on a slight angle. It's not facing in. And a lot of us face our hand in. It's not. It's slightly out. Right hand is up. The wrist is the same height as the shoulder. Same height as the shoulder. And the elbow is slightly lower. Not really low, just slightly lower. Then the four fingers are going to touch the thumb. Okay, they're going to touch the thumb. This is a gripping motion. This is when you're going to grab someone's arm and roll it over. I'm not going to go into the applications when we're doing the form. That will come in another series later. But you can imagine that you're grabbing someone's arm and you're rolling it over. This is this idea here. Okay? Not locked straight. Not bringing up the trapezius. Nice and down. And if I do it facing you so you can see how the and forms. So this would be my corner. So I step left hand going under the right, out. Okay, so this hand is forming this way as it comes in. This hand's only touching right at the last moment. Everything together. Okay, try again from 7, 8, 9, and 10. Single. Okay. In the 11th paragraph or 11th sentence in the San-Feng Taiji Classic, it says that the Chang practitioner is like a river or ocean, flowing and rolling without end. Okay, Chang practitioner. Chang is, I'm probably not saying it right, but it's a long fist practitioner, and early Tai Chi was called long fist. Okay, they were called long fist practitioners. So they're saying a long fist practitioner, and now a Tai Chi practitioner, is like a river or ocean, flowing and rolling without end. Yeah, so it's nice and smooth, nice and continuous. Don't worry too much about this at the moment. Just try and remember the basic positions. If you can remember the positions, that's the first thing. That's the first thing. And maybe you're even noticing in your first couple of positions now, first to second, there's a little bit more fluidity coming in from the first to the second position, second to the third position. The value, or the good thing about Tai Chi, or the good thing about forms, is by repeating something, you strengthen the start. You strengthen it over and over and over again. So while you're learning the new positions, your first bit, just by repeating it, and as long as you have the Shen, the spirit within, the awareness inside yourself, it will gradually get smoother. It will get more fluid. It will get more continuous. If you're doing it with your mind, with your focus not within you, that necessarily won't happen. Okay? But if your spirit is within yourself, that will happen. And I also want to say, as we're doing this, the form in this way, we're going at quite a quick speed. You can do it a lot slower. Okay, but we're just trying to go through at a pace which is quite easy to remember. So we're going at the speed at the moment. But feel free to go at a speed that you want it. Now if we go from the start, up from the start to 10. So opening up, relaxing down, and 1,